All right, drawing students, we're ready to work with another medium. We're going to use pen and ink. We're also going to continue to draw from observation and drawing from life and learning to see, drawing a subject, but in this case, we're going to use pen and ink. Now, you'll have this video in our Canvas classroom to view and to practice using our hatching and cross-hatching, scribble style, and stippling. We'll have a little bit of a practice this on an extra piece of paper. This drawing technique kind of helps you create shadow and shading. It takes a little bit of practice though. In this case, they used a pencil to kind of create a scribble drawing, and basically whatever technique you use, you're basically using that technique a little heavier and overlapping a little more where you want it dark, and thinning it out, spacing it out lighter to where you want it lighter. And there's several types of drawing techniques: stippling, hatching, cross-hatching, scribbling, or a combination of those things. So practice, kind of play around with the pens. You'll be getting a technical pens. Those that are remote have received in their art kit some technical pens that look like this, micron pens. Play with those a little bit and practice your shading. If you're in class and you want to play with this a little bit, I also have pen and ink where you can dip the pen and play with drawing with that. It's up to you. What you're going to do is find an object, and I'll have a set of objects out for you to choose from. If you're a remote learner, I would look at something that you have around the house that you'd like to draw several times. We're going to draw this image on our small pieces of paper, and I included some 6-inch pieces of paper for you to draw on, and you're going to draw this object multiple times in different viewpoints. And it's your choice of which of the types of shading you use, whether it be hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, or scribble. So you're going to do one object in 4 views. Here's some examples. You have the option of also adding watercolor, and I'll include this video also in our classroom. Here are some student examples from a previous year. We've got hatching, a form of cross-hatching. We've got basically lines. This was a piece of driftwood, and we've added watercolor to it. This was stippling. A scribble design, really turned out great. And a hatching, cross-hatching. All right, those are the examples. You have 4 pieces of 6 by 6 square pieces of drawing paper to work with and some pens. I would practice first and kind of get the hang of drawing with a pen and hatching, and then begin to come up with your 4 views. You are welcome to pencil your design out first and then fill it in with the hatching and cross hatching. All right, good luck with your drawings.